Hello, friends. So by now you've probably seen that there's a new Impala. Well, today we need to get started on that. The first thing we got to do is wash it. And I really do want to wash it because there's a lot of issues in the door jambs. It's even to the point that the doors are sticking closed, so we definitely want to get that under control. So, first things first, because we have a car lot car here in the shop, I want to use this opportunity to take it down and wash it. Made some improvements, but it's going to take a lot of work. So I poured some ammonia, cleaning ammonia on that. I want to see. I don't believe it's mold. If there's mold there, it's not on the large amount. There's a lot of gunk in there. I went ahead and put the heavy duty degreaser from LA Totally Awesome on that. That stuff did a really good job on a stinky car I did, the first one in this shop. But I'm gonna get the steamer out tomorrow and work on this back seat, see what I can get done. I'm fighting a lot of spiders, I can tell you that, and that does not do my heart well. Just saying. I seriously don't think that's mold. I believe I'm wrong on that, but we'll see. We will see. We'll know tomorrow. Alrighty, so the trunk is looking good. I got this washed and put it out in, I say washed. I soaked it down with the pump sprayer, and then I sprayed some cleaner on it, and I kind of scrubbed it. Then I left it in the sun to dry a little bit, and my last one had tons and tons of spots. It was way worse than this trunk, I can tell you that. But we got that taken care of, and it's looking good. It's good and clean. I worked on the door jambs. I'm going to work on them some more, but I at least got it started. Got them somewhat clean. I want to put the power washer to it, but there was just not enough time at that car wash. I got that trunk lid looking really good. I'm actually pleased with that. But what I'm going to do when I have the steamer out is I'll take the steamer to the door jam or the trunk jam, and then I'll also take it to that right there. See if I can't work that crap off of there. It looks like it's just stained, but we'll see. Now I got this out. I thought I'd show it to you. I thought it was mold, but I don't think it is. So I don't know. We'll put this inside. See, I just don't think it's mold. At first I thought mold, then I thought it was burned. But I don't know. So we're gonna let that soak all night long. Well, friends, that concludes this day. Severe thunderstorm watch has been issued, and this car is still in here, so I am just doing my car piece by piece. My biggest thing is this: I don't want to skip out on a process that's needed. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, you know how it goes. Peace.